Hello, today we'll be comparing espresso machine 3.5 bar espresso and cappuccino machine with fast heating function versus the Famiworths upgraded hot and iced coffee maker for K-cups and ground coffee. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. So let's start. Type of coffee. Espresso maker machine is better. Brewing capacity Famiworths is better. Burst range control espresso machine is better. Hot and iced coffee Famiworths is winner. Milk frozen espresso machine is better. Programmability it's neither. Ease of use Famiworths is better. Water reservoir ZI. Cleaning Famiworths is better. Footprint design ZI. Heating element espresso machine is better. Build quality espresso machine is better. Special features espresso machine is better. Suitability Famiworths is better. Price depends on your need. Who is better? Best from depends on your need too. Coffee quality espresso machine is better. And durability espresso machine is a winner too. If you want to get the most powerful durable device, it will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the espresso machine 3.5 bar espresso and cappuccino machine with fast heating function. The link to buy it is in the video description.